Hi, welcome to video number 6. Today we're going to talk about the blog. First of all, I want you guys to move the blog all the way to under extra. You move it under extra because I don't want anyone has access to it. So you can simply move it under extra. If you move it under extra, whoever would have access to the blog is whoever have access to the extra. Understood? So you just put it on here under extra. You can put it either before feedback or after feedback. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. So now what we're going to do, we're going to create a blog in real time to make sure that the blog actually works, which is, in my opinion, something that we need to do. Let's go with blog. Let me create a blog right away. I think that it's a good job. You guys do a good job on the blog, so which is great. The system just logged me out. Let me try to log back in again, but eventually it's been less than 5 minutes, guys. The system logged me out every 60 seconds if there is no activity in this account. So now let's go here. We go on blog, we go create blog, and we put the date. We publish the blog, which is in fact today, the 14th. We select 14th, and the title of this blog and keywords. Let's see, keywords, it's latest blog, and that's a simple example. Blog entry description, latest blog, and here we write the entire blog, which is blog. Okay, and we would proceed with the blog. And save the blog. And there is no picture. Let's see the author. It's Xpwallet Pack. Eventually the blog works. Let me submit this here to see if that's going to work. It's showing that the blog works actually. So now let me go on the website, the outside of the website, to test to see if eventually that's going to work for me here. And let me refresh. And then we see here that the blog works. But the only thing is that when we click on the blog here, bug. So this bug needs to be corrected. This bug 100% needs to be corrected, right? Okay. So let's pass this. Let's go back again. To the next section. Remember the blog, please move the blog all the way under extra for me. Got it? Very good. Now let's go with the banner. This is the problem with the banner. The problem with the banner is the following. When we upload the banner, it does not appear on the customer's hand. Let me show you. Suppose I'm going to upload a banner here. Let me go select the file. The banner that I wish to upload here on the customer's hand perspective. Let me select any picture from my computer, Mrs. Hector. Alright. I select in a picture. I'm going to go ahead and add a link. Let's suppose it's just any link. It doesn't matter. And then we add here upload. Eventually the banner would be uploaded. You see the banner here, which is great. And we also have the option to delete the banner, which is fantastic, which is wonderful. And the only thing is that if I try add the banner to my customer's dashboard, it gives me a bug. Let's say I select this with the link. I want the link to be added, and I say add. It gives me a bug. This bug needs to be fixed. Again, you do not need to rebuild anything, but fix the bugs, make sure that it works. This is all that we want. And if I go back to the customer's end perspective to test to see if the banner works, eventually the banner does not work. Let me load again to see maybe if the banner will be sliding like you guys been doing, and you see that it doesn't work. Actually, make sure that it works, guys, because now we really running out of time. We want to finish with this project. You see there is no banner, and furthermore, this section here should be right here at the bottom where it was before, because this section is 100% reserved for the banner. Got it? All right. So now let me move over to the next section, guys. Remember, for the banner, you simply need to make sure it works and the banner can be uploaded to the customer's perspective. So now let's move over to the Xpwallet. We can do actually two activities in the Xpwallet. The first one, we can add deposit. To add a deposit, we do the following, and we come here. We select the customer we want to add the money to. Let's say Xpwallet, add deposit. We go here, let's select this guy because we have an account open on the order browser. We come here, we add, we select the reason, Xpwallet. We add the amount, let's say $25, and we add the reason we received that money. The way we received that money was via MoneyGram. We add MoneyGram, and then we submit. When we submit the deposit, it's going to give us a bug. That does not work. You guys need to fix that, okay? Great, because we're running out of time. Now we're going to debit from the Xpwallet. That works. Let's say we're going to debit from the Xpwallet. We're going to debit from the Xpwallet. Give me 1 second. System is running slow. Okay, let's go here. We're going to debit this amount. Automatically, we go here. We should be able to see here the current balance the customer has on the order side, if the customer has a balance. Now we can debit that money for many reasons. Let's say we want to debit $25. We'll debit from the customer wallet. Here we would select the reason. It could be payer deposit, it could be purchase assistance, it could be shipping payment. Let's say it's for shipping. And then here, by default, it's from the Xpwallet, it's going to be deducted. You guys did it. So now if we submit this amount, you see on the very top it says that the customer has no balance, which is great. But why this form is generated? This form was not supposed to be generated because the transaction didn't go through. I think you have to work on it to make sure, to ensure fully functionality. We don't need this record if the transaction does not go through. Okay? Make sure you fix it. This section works only when the transaction goes through and we have this record. So, well, this is all for this video, and I will record another video for the other section for the update.